Hey guys, welcome to use the Focus Weber 391S full color desktop industrial inkjet label printing machine. This machine can print on different kind of label material, as raw material, coating material, or pieces material. The printer will use HP bubble jet printing technology. It also use A3 print head or A4 print head. When you use the A4 print head, it can reach the maximum printing width to 21 centimeter. And if you exchange to A3 print head, the maximum print size can reach to 29 centimeter. And also this printer will have the winder and the re-winder, or full automatic, and also industrial level. It with touch screen and the laser guidance and the flat plate feed system, and also the kick weight system. And also we use the refill ink supply system, not use the cartridge. So once the ink is running out, you can fill ink and start to continue to print. And this machine also can use the pigment ink or the dye ink. If you use the pigment ink, it can waterproof. And if you use the dye ink, it can get a more shiny color than pigment. So it supports different kind of ink for wood base.